If you've been on YouTube, you've seen this dream be sold to you over and over and over again. The whole SMMA social media marketing agency dream, that is. Work from home or work from anywhere in the world, print a bunch of money, get some clients that pay you massive retainer fees, day after day, month after month, year after year. They say it requires zero effort. Just start an LLC, hire a contractor to make it rain leads for your clients, cash checks, baby. It all seems a little bit too good to be true, right? But is it too good to be true? Well, my business partner Derek and I are living proof that this is a business model that anybody can do. More than that, we've had thousands of students go through our program, the SMMA Blueprint, build an agency, succeed at it, and live life on their own terms. 8 years ago, Derek and I had zero prior experience in social media marketing. Social media was maturing, but it definitely wasn't to the point that it is today. There were no courses available, there was no map, there was no plan. We didn't even know anybody who actually had success with the social media marketing agency before starting our own. In less than 6 months, against all those odds, Derek and I were able to leave our 9-to-5 jobs, and a short time after that, completely replace the 6-figure incomes that both of us were making through our day jobs. This enabled us to live life on our own terms and to never look back. Things have only gotten better since then. Let's jump into 3 key reasons why SMMA is the best business to start this year, and why in general it is just simply the best first business to start online for anyone. Reason number 1 is businesses are always going to need customers. They need leads, they need clients, they need signups, they need revenue in the door. Not only that, businesses are finally woken up to the fact that other lead sources are bloated and a thing of the past. We no longer need to educate them on why they need to be on social media. They already have seen their colleagues, their friends, their peers be successful at it, and they want in. I mentioned a moment ago that SMMA is the best first business to start online, and it's for this reason. Starting any other business that you can think of, you need to either be a master of social media marketing or you need to pay a social media marketing agency to grow your business for you through social media. So why not start an agency, set realistic expectations with your clients like we teach you to do in the SMMA Blueprint. While doing so, get paid to learn the skills on a client's dime as you ramp up. You build a team, and in a couple of years, you're in a position like Derek and I are in where you can start any business that you could possibly dream of in the world. That's a real position of power, and I tell you what, if everything melted down with our agency tomorrow, knowing that we could go and market any business that we could possibly think of and start a new business overnight and be successful at it just because we have the skills is a great position of power. Reason number 2 is that as long as social media is here, so is this business model. Let me ask you something. Day by day, week by week, do you see the importance of social media growing or going away? The answer is it's dramatically expanding in importance every single day, and that trend is not slowing down anytime soon. Social media adoption continues to increase. Ad platforms on social media continue to become better, more targeted, more economical, and businesses are seeing their peers take advantage of it by now, and they want in on that gold rush. It can be easy to think, why would I pay somebody to manage social media for me? The thing is, 99% of the world is not like us. They're not tapped into digital entrepreneurship. They want nothing to do with it. People start businesses because they want to run a business in whatever field they're starting. Gym owners start gyms because they want to own a gym. They don't want to be a social media marketer for a gym. They want to go to work, they want to change lives, they want to get people in shape, they want to punch out at 5 o'clock and go home. Same goes for me. I want to run a social media marketing agency. I don't want to be a tax accountant. That's why I pay somebody to do my taxes every year. Smart business owners out there are looking to build a team of experts in their respective fields that they can partner with, like your agency, and they can pay to deliver results while they sit back and they do what it is that they actually want to be doing. Reason number 3 why this is the best business to start this year is that the supply is significantly outpaced by demand. It's not even close. Every year, there are millions of businesses open in the United States alone. Less than a fraction of a percent of these businesses being opened are social media marketing agencies. This means that supply is dramatically outpaced by demand, and it's not even close. And that's just for businesses that are opened this year. That doesn't count businesses and the millions of businesses that are out there in the United States that have already been opened. They need help, and more and more and more of them are waking up, as I mentioned earlier, to the fact that the best way to grow their business is through social media. This means that our job of getting them to do business with our agency is getting easier and easier. I remember years ago, 8 years ago, when Derek and I were first getting started, social media hadn't grown to the point that it was today. Definitely wasn't brand new at that point. Like, people knew what it was and how it could help them to an extent, but they were still weighing their options versus the bloated marketing tactics that they've been doing for years and whether they should move to social media. These days, they're already bought in. That's not up for discussion. They're happy when we call them because they know that they need help in this area. I can't remember the last time that I spoke with a business owner and they said, I don't believe in social media. We don't need social media. We're doing something else. These days, they know that they need to be on there and they're looking for an agency that knows what the heck they're doing. If you're looking to get skills on how to start, grow, and scale a social media marketing agency and actually learn how to do this the right way, a great place to start is the SMMA Blueprint. We completely recreated the course earlier this year, updated it to the SMMA Blueprint 2.0, where we teach you the most advanced, up-to-date tactics tactics with one-click install funnels that you can put to work day one, ad strategies that you can take, copy, show to your clients, get them inspired to do business with you, and everything else that you could possibly need to start, grow, and scale a social media marketing agency. If you're looking for some tips on how to actually get your first client, make sure you check out this video that's up on the screen here. It really just shows how simple this business model is and some simple tactics that you can use to start getting in front of people and start locking down your first clients for your SMMA.